if the angel of death comes right now, takes your ruh, okay? You're still standing. Imagine you're able to stay erect. The body is there.
Sure.
Right now, before the angel of death came, can you see me?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you speak?
Yes.
Yes. Now the angel of death comes, takes your ruh. Same body is there. Eyes are still there. Can you see me? No. Can you hear me?
No.
No. The ruh is different. I'm talking the body.
Yes,
You
the body,
cannot.
yeah.
Can you speak?
No.
Tongue is there, but you can't
La.
speak. So the Allah is there. But the ni'am, we're gone. What left you? What did he take?
The ruh.
The ruh. What is the ruh?
The soul.
Allah describes it in the Quran. وَيَسْأَلُونَكَ عَنِ الرُّوحِ. They're asking you
They
about
ask
the ruh.
about the ruh, yeah.
قل, tell them, O Muhammad, قُلِ الرُّوحُ مِنْ أَمْرِ رَبِّي وَمَا أُوتِيتُم مِنَ الْعِلْمِ إِلَّا قَلِيلًا. Tell them it is the command of Allah.
Allahu Akbar.
So when the command of Allah left you, you can no longer see and hear, right?
Yeah.
So when the command is there, in reality, this is what we mean when we say, you only see bi amrillah, with the command of Allah.
Allah.
You only hear by the command of Allah.
Allah.
You only speak by the command of Allah.
Allah
You
Akbar.
only move by the command of Allah. See the blessings of Allah, ya akhi.
Allahu Akbar.
How could you not worship this ilah?
Allah.